Yuri Alexeyevich Gagarin was born in Clushino, Russia, Soviet Federative Socialist Republic. Yuri Gagarin left school in 1950, taking up an apprenticeship at a local steel plant. He also enrolled in evening classes. Once he graduated from them both, Gagarin was chosen for further training at the Saratov Industrial Technical School, where he learned about tractors. Whilst there, Gagarin also volunteered with the Soviet Air Cadets, which was where he learned to fly. In 1955, after he graduated, Gagarin was drafted by the Soviet Army, and was recommended to the 1st Chekalov Air Force piloting school in Orenburg. By 1957, he had flown his first solo flight in a MiG-15. After graduation, Gagarin was posted to La Astari Air Base in Murmansk Oblast. By 1959 he was a senior lieutenant in the Soviet Air Force. After an extensive selection process, Gagarin was chosen, together with 19 other suitable candidates, to join the Soviet space program. Yuri was also selected for elite training in a group to be known as the Sochi 6. This small group would become the first cosmonauts to be selected for the Vostok program. Subject to extensive physical activities and psychological assessments, the group was subjected to rigorous training. On April 12, 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human to not only travel into space, but to orbit the Earth, aboard the Vostok 1. Having become not only a national hero but also a world celebrity, he traveled the world extensively and was subjected to many personal appearances. Once his life had settled again, he returned to his duties in the Soviet Union at the cosmonaut facility at Star City. There he began his training as a fighter pilot. Whilst flying a MiG-15 with his flight instructor, Vladimir Syogin, over Kertsak, on March 27, 1968, Gagarin encountered difficulties. Exactly what these were never determined, but their aircraft crashed, killing both men. Gagarin and Syogin's bodies were recovered and cremated. Their ashes were interred in the walls of the Kremlin, on Red Square.